So I'm really excited to get the week started. I'm in a good mood. I had a great workout at the gym, and today I'm going to walk you through some of the things I have to do as a music therapist to prepare for work and how to just stay on top of things as a graduate student as well. So yeah, if you're interested in that, keep on watching and let's get it. Hey vlog, good morning. So I just finished my first little batch of pre-workout. As you can see, it's very blue, so I had to take out my aligners to drink it, but it's delicious. It tastes just like a freaking blue popsicle. Like that blue, it tastes just like the blue popsicle. 8:54, so let's see how long it takes to kick in, and I will update after I work out.
I am more comfortable with being comfortable. I'm trying to do the unthinkable. I'd rather die than be stuck in the cubicle. I'd rather spend my whole life in the studio. Practice my swing, I've been working on hits. Trying to do shows and sold out events. All of these rappers be claiming they next.
Good morning. I'm coming at you from the gym. I just left the gym. It was a great workout. Really excited to get the week started. I'm in a good mood. I had a great workout at the gym, and today I'm going to walk you through some of the things I have to do as a music therapist to prepare for work and how to just stay on top of things as a graduate student as well. So yeah, if you're interested in that, keep on watching and let's get it. Okay, so hey, one of the things I'm gonna have to do today is replace this broken string on my guitar. I was doing a session and y'all, it just snapped on me, and thankfully I am professional enough in guitar to know that these strings will keep me in a good key. I just played in D for the rest of the session so that I could keep holding on A, D, and G for very simple songs that I was playing. But now I'm going to go ahead and replace this string. I bought some new Pro Art strings from Amazon. These are like a really good brand. I have a classical guitar, so it's best to do nylon for these classical guitars. And then you're gonna need this thing to help tighten the string on the knobs. And I'm also going to give her a little makeover. Shout out to Kyla. I have this guitar polish and this little rag that I'm gonna use to just give her a little makeover because she done been through it. I was like, you know what? I have not given her any love in a fat minute. So I'm gonna give her some love today and replace this string. I think this is the last string I had to replace, which is the 4th string. So the way that the string goes, E, A, D, G, B, E. So my D string broke and I need to replace the D. And yeah, so I will show y'all how I will go about doing that after I shower up and everything. So yeah, we'll come back and do that. Hey, so I am back. So here I have my classical guitar, 3/4 size, and then I have my strings. So they come wound up like this in a little circle, and then on the back, you can just usually rip off this little seal, and then you open it on up, and then on the bottom is where you pull it out. And now it should have all 6 strings in here. I'm not restringing my entire guitar. Tabs that show what string you need. I need the D string. D. I need the D string, which is the 3rd from the top. 4th string, I need to restring this one. I'm gonna put it back into its little package. You're also gonna need this little doohickey. You should have one of these if you have a guitar, because you might need to tighten or loosen your strings. And you're gonna start at the top of the guitar. I'm gonna stick it through this little hole, and then I'm gonna stretch it down, tie it at the bottom, and then tighten it with this little doohickey. So yeah, I'm just about to do all of that, and you can just watch me. right based off of how I tuned it. All right. D. So let's hear how the D string rings out. Does it go flat? Does it go sharp? So y'all tell me in the comments for my musicians out there. Tell me if I strung it right. Do, re. That works. All right, I think she's all strung up. So now I can pack her and we can get ready to go to work. So I just got my smoothie, taking myself on a little walk, just enjoying the overcast weather out here in Arizona. And yeah, that's really all I'm doing. Nothing really to update. So I will talk to y'all later. Hey vlog, so I just made it back to my place. I am gonna cook for myself tonight. I'm gonna make some tempura cauliflower. Shout out to Serene, she put me on, yeah, is it a couple years ago at this point? I'm really excited to eat tonight. I'm gonna have some like vegetable fried rice probably and just do the Kung Pao cauliflower without the sauce. So it'll be nice and vegan and sugar free. And yeah, I'm really excited to eat it and I'll come back and show y'all later. Hey vlog, long time no talk. Thanks for watching my day in the life so far. Right now I am just leaving my second job for today. As you saw, I had my therapy session earlier, then I had some office work. That's where I'm leaving from now. I'm walking back to my place and I'm going to eat dinner, and then I have gospel choir. So, oh, and I just also wanted to pop in and say today is officially the halfway point for my aligners. I am on aligner number 6. I don't know if you can see a difference in my teeth, but I do, so I'm really excited. And yeah, here's the halfway. All right, let's get back to the day in my life.
And go! Rain! Rain! Rain, Lord, please, rain! Okay. Rain, Lord, please, rain! Okay, here's what I want you to try, because I know somebody can't go see. Fall down. Fall down, Lord, please. Let it fall down, Lord, please.
It's super cold out here in Arizona, which is why I have on all these freaking layers. In my car, I'm about to drive out of the parking garage and head to work. Got my guitar back there. Everything is ready to go. I got into the gym this morning. I was able to just get into a lot of fun stuff this morning. I was just doing stuff I wanted to do, like watching YouTube videos and listening to sermons and doing my devotional and stretching. And I also had a guitar lesson this morning and it was great. So yeah, now I'm on my way to my first session of the day, and then later I have another job I have to go to. So yeah, maybe I'll take you along and I'll see you later. Bye. Good morning vlog. I just got a chia seed pudding with some almond milk and stuff in it. I'm trying to eat something healthy before I go off to work. I'm about to go do a session at the Musical Instrument Museum. I just left my ASL class. It was great. And yeah, I'm feeling good, feeling fly. Had a great workout this morning. So I'm ready to expend even more energy at this session. I'm about to get my guitar, put on a little makeup, and go. So I'll see you later.